Hi, this is a short video to show you how to get the little app on your phone to quickly access your monitoring system for your power system. First step is to open up a browser like Google Chrome, so I'm going to do that. And you're going to need to navigate to a website called emoncms.org. If you type that into the URL at the top of the screen, that'll then open up the following page. If you then scroll to the username and password, you can then enter in the details as described in your introductory document. From there, click the login button, and you'll be taken automatically to the mobile dashboard that we have created for your system. At the top, the first important piece of information is the last update that was received from the inverter. At the moment, I'm seeing about 5 seconds ago, and that's fairly recent. The only time you would need to try and restart the device or inquire regarding a problem is if that ever went above 5 minutes or so, indicating that we may have lost connection to the Wi-Fi router and we would need to reestablish a connection if it hasn't already done so automatically. The first dial shows the load on the inverter. There we can see 346 watts. It's in the green zone at the moment, indicating quite a low load for this particular system. We then see the inverter load in percentage. That coincides with the inverter load in watts. At the moment, 8% out of a possible 100%, quite low at the moment. Next dial shows the max inverter load today. So at some points since midnight up until now, and now it's about 12 o'clock in the day, this inverter experienced a load of some 3,620 watts. Next dial over there indicates your battery state of charge and indicates the amount of battery remaining. Next dial indicates your battery power, and this dial will alternate between rotating clockwise and anti-clockwise depending on whether the battery is charging or discharging. At the moment, the battery is a positive value. We're seeing it rotating slightly clockwise. It indicates that the battery is charging at a rate of 240 watts. Next value shows the current grid voltage. If we had a grid outage, we would expect that to show 0 volts. The next dial over here indicates the solar power production currently. We're currently producing 530 watts from this particular solar system. And then today we've generated 1.75 units of electricity. A unit of electricity is defined by a kilowatt hour, and that's defined in that small sundial. At the bottom of your dashboard, you'll be able to see a blue rectangle, and that shows you the total solar energy generated since the monitoring system has been commissioned. For this particular system, we've generated 22.2 kilowatt hours or units of electricity. Now, in order to access this more rapidly, easily in the future, the best way is to create a small bookmark on your home page. In order to do this, you need to click on the hamburger button as it's referred to, or the 3 dots in the top right hand corner of your screen. So if you click that, you'll be provided with a drop down menu of some options. You would then like to select the option that indicates add to home screen. I'm going to click that. Now it offers you the opportunity to change the description or the title of the app that will be added to your home screen. I'm going to call this Power, so I'm going to just backspace and remove all of that writing. I'm going to create the word Power here, and then I'm going to click Add. It's now going to ask me whether I'd like to touch and hold to place the app manually on my home screen, or whether I can allow it to add automatically. I'm going to touch and hold, and this will then allow me to place it in a specific position on my home screen. I'm going to place it right there, and now we have instant access to that particular dashboard describing the performance of the power system. So in future, rather than having to go back to the Google Chrome browser and having to enter in your login credentials, you'll simply click the small little app called Power. And there we go. That's how you access the mobile dashboard for the GreenHouse Energy Consulting monitoring system.